Hey, my name is Luis and I'm going to be teaching you how to work on cars one part at a time. Today is the infamous cigarette lighter. Let's find the fuse panel and look for cigarette lighter right there, 15A. Most of the cases this is just blown and we have to just replace it. In my case it's not. Press it out, bang. Testing it with a voltmeter and it's getting enough volt. Goes right there, which is the center of the core, and then the colored one is the outside. So you just wire this one accordingly. See if it works, and put everything back.